friends, today we're still talking about the farm. This is called Cock-a-doodle-doo, Barnyard Hullabaloo. Hullabaloo means that there's a lot going on. Early in the morning, as the sun begins to rise, the pigs are feeling hungry and they're snorting in their sties. The roosts wake up the farm, and the cock-a-doodle-doo, and the sheepdog won't stop barking, and the cows begin to moo. There are stomping in the stables, and there's bleating in the barn. And so climb aboard the tractor and explore this noisy farm. Please say the songs and the sounds along with the animals. The rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. I'm rockin' Rooster, baby, and tell me who you are. Cock-a-doodle-doo, the chickens. We chickens are covered with feathers, all of our wings and our legs. So of course we could fly if we wanted to try, but we're too busy laying eggs. Look, there's a little chick coming out of that egg. Here's a cow. This cow has brown spots. Some cows are all brown, but this one is white with black spots. Sometimes I moo while I'm chewing. I hope you don't think that it's rude, but mooing and chewing are all what I like doing. So, do you moo when you chew your food? Moo. Here's a sheepdog. I am the farmer's old sheepdog, his faithful and loyal friend. I've been by his side from the day I was born, and I'll stay with him right to the end. And there's a barnyard cat. Hello, I'm a barnyard kitty. I sleep in the shade of the house, and I always keep one eye half open and spot every passing plump mouse. And the mouse is saying, yikes! Cats like to chase mice. These are the pigs. I love taking care of my piglets and watching them wiggle and squeal. They clamber all over each other all day and snuffle around for a meal. When it's time to eat, do you ever go, snort, 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 snort? Here's the donkey. It's wonderful being a donkey. I simply spend hours and hours just wandering around on the soft, grassy ground, sniffing sweet-smelling flowers. Here's the turkey. I've got these funny floppy things that hang down from our necks. They dangle when I go glabble, and they wobble when I peck peck. This is actually called a waddle. And they do go back and forth and back and forth. And here are the geese. We waddle about in the barnyard and make so much noise we can talk. And wandering goslings run out of our way as we babble and cackle and squawk. And here are the sheep. I've got gorgeous fluffy fleece, which makes me very proud. So I skip around my meadow, make believing I'm a cloud. This sheep does look like a cloud in the sky. And here are the goats. I sometimes hang out with the sheep pen, chuckling into my beard. Sheep often think they're better than us, but goats never need to get sheared. They always have their fur on. And here's the horse that goes Flippity Clock. There's nothing like hay when you're hungry. I'm happy to munch a whole bale, but sometimes I stop for a clickety clop or flick a few flies on my tail. There's a bee coming on his tail, and he just kind of flicks it with his tail. Here's a bull. Snort, snort, snort. I love to snort steam with my nostrils. It makes me look angry and tough. And then I stop scratching my hoof on the ground if that isn't scary enough. Whoa! Now it's nighttime, and there's a fox creeping about. I wait in the woods until nightfall. Then down to the barnyard I creep, because nothing looks quite as delicious as chickens who've fallen asleep. Here's the owl. I always hunt at nighttime, and I sleep throughout the day. Choo-choo-choo, you hear me cry, out searching for my prey. Choo-choo, sounds like hoo-hoo. And now it's nighttime in the barnyard, and the moon is shining bright. It's time to learn that animals, you wave them all good night. The cows are feeling sleepy, and so they settle on the ground. It won't be very long now till they're sleeping safe and sound. The horse is in the stable and the hens are in the shed, but the sheepdog's fallen fast asleep. inside the farmer's bed in the house. So let's say goodnight to the animals. And here's a cow page. Good night, friends.